Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Naveed Anjum. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I am going to discuss the method how to upload the paper on Google Classroom. First of all, I am going to tell the way how will you convert your images into the PDF file. You can upload image file, PDF file, Word file, or Excel file on the Google Classroom. So for that, the method is very simple. You will first of all you will have to solve your assignment or the test on your register or on loose pages. So after that you will scan the pages with the help of the doc scanner or with the help of the camera. So I'm going to use doc scanner. You will open the doc scanner app and then you will just capture the images like this. As I am capturing this image, okay, you will just capture this image. Okay, the image is being captured and you can also crop the image according to your demand, according to your need. So I'm going to crop it. This is the first image, and the second image I'm going to capture the second image as well. So this is the second image. Now I'm going to crop it. You can crop according to your need the part which you want, and after cropping the image you will click on I have scanned the two pages, so I'm going to convert these two pages into the PDF file. After that, open PDF, you will click on open PDF, create PDF for entire document. Okay, you will click on create PDF for entire document and the PDF for the entire document will be created, the first page and the second page. And I have okay, watermark is showing on the back end, so I will just remove the watermark. So watermark is being removed. So you can see the two pages have been created, and I'm going to save these two pages. Save, okay, with the PDF and then internal storage. I'm going to save these pages in the internal storage. So I will create the new folder for the papers. So papers and then save. Now this file will be saved. So after that I'm going to open my classroom that I have already joined. So classroom app, you will click on classroom app. If you don't have classroom app installed on your mobile phone, you will have to install the classroom app and you will join it with the email ID. Okay, and you should already have your email ID and email. You will join the classroom. The links of the classrooms are already been provided to you, so you will join the classes with those links. And first suppose these are the classes that I have joined with my mobile phone. So demo class, this is the class in which I am going to submit the paper. Okay, you will choose your specific class. For suppose that tomorrow is the paper for the of Urdu for 9th and 10th, and first year second year there will be a different paper or maybe the same paper, so you will choose the class accordingly. Okay, so for this is the MCQs assignment. Okay, MCQs, you can see the MCQs assignment will have that MCQs assignment. Okay, phase 1 test 1 attachment, all assignments all will have the subjective paper. This is a subjective paper. Okay, keep in mind that there is a time limit for MCQs assignment and for the subjective paper. The time limit for MCQs is for 9th and 10th. The time limit will be from 10 to 10:30. After 10:30, you will not be able to upload the paper. Okay, so you will have to solve the MCQs till 10:30, till 10:20. Okay, you will have to solve the MCQs till 10:20, and for 10 minutes are given for uploading the paper on Google Drive. So you will solve the MCQs. This is the MCQs paper. You will have to solve. You will just write the option number. First question number 1 MCQ number 1, you will write 1 and you will just write the option number 1. The correct option is C. False positive correct option is C. So you will just write the option C. Okay. This is just the demo test. Okay, this is not the official test. This is just a demo test. I have copied the questions. Okay, so don't worry. These are the same questions again and again. So you will just write the question number and you will just the option correct option for the question. After solving the MCQs, you will scan the image and then you will just upload it here. Okay, your work. You can say your work. Okay, missing. Your work is missing. So I will just upload my work here. New assignment MCQs. Okay, MCQs. So I'm going to upload my work. You will click on this arrow sign. Okay, this arrow sign that is showing at the bottom, upward arrow on the top of your work. You will just click on this and you will add attachment. Add attachment. I will just remove this attachment that I have previously uploaded. So I will upload the new attachment. Add attachment. Keep in mind, you can only upload the attachment for the once, and there is a time limit as well. You cannot upload the MCQs after 10:30 for class 8th, 9th and 10th, and for class first year and second year the first term papers are being conducted. So for those the time limit will be from 9 to 9:30. So keep in mind, you will have to take care of the time limits. So I will attach the file in the recent. So Galaxy J7, my file is in my mobile phone. So I'm going to just find my file. The file is in large folder. I have already created the folder with the paper. Okay, paper, and this is the file that I have scanned. I will just upload it. It will only take 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes, depending on the internet connection. Okay, you can see the file has been uploaded. So you will click on turn in. Yes, turn in. The file have been submitted to my teacher. Now my teacher will check this file and he or she will give me the marks and return me the checked file. Okay, return me checked assignment, so I can see the marks of the assignment. Okay, the assignment MCQ assignment have been submitted. Now I will click on MCQs. So you can see at the bottom the assignment have been turned in, done date. Okay, done late. Okay, I have submitted the assignment late. So in this case I have allowed to submit the late assignment. So when you will choose the late when you will submit the assignment later, you will not be allowed to submit the assignment. So keep in mind, you will have to submit the assignment before the due time. And same goes for the subjective part. Okay, for subjective part for class 8th, 9th and 10th, the time limit will be from 10:30 to 12:10. Okay, 10:30 to 12 o'clock for the paper, and 10 minutes are added for the uploading. So you will have to complete your assignment in time, complete your paper in time. And for first year, second year, the time limit will be for the subjective portion from 9:30 to it will go on from till 11 o'clock. 9:30 to for first year, second year, the paper will be of full length. So you will have the 2.5 hours for your paper, and 10 minutes will be added for the uploading. So you will have to keep in mind the time limits. You can discuss the time limit with your teacher, and if you have any query, you can ask your teachers. They will help you. I will also be there to help you if you have any query or any question regarding uploading the paper on Google Classroom. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.